Hello everyone, we are in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting test with Russian vodka. Let's get started. So the idea of this experiment is very simple. We have three types of vodka. We have our 10 watt deluxe laser with dynamic PWM, and we're going to shoot the laser through this glass of vodka, and we'll check the image that we got on white paper. So the idea of this experiment is to check what we have inside, and if we have some other extra things inside of this drink that we probably wouldn't like to have. So I put this glass here. I have a lifting table, so we can move up and down, and then we'll be able to see the laser beam that goes through the vodka, just a different perspective. And we remove the lens and we're ready to go. Okay, so that's what you see actually when the laser beam goes through. So you see that something actually moving here. So we don't understand what is here. So probably it's some other fractions or fragments. And let's just move the laser up and down and see what we got here. So we can also see defects on the glass. That's why we can see it. But if something moves, then it's not a glass, it is something else. I'm moving it up. Okay, so we see something here. I'll try to change the sensitivity to white, but definitely we can see something. Something is inside here. Okay, yeah, that's probably the end of the glass. Let's try to add some turbulence inside. Oh, okay, now you can see that too. So what is that? So that's something we don't really understand. Maybe it's some, like I said, other fractions or something that have different reflection coefficient, but looks like that it's definitely something in that. Okay, let's add some turbulence and we'll see if we see anything. We can increase the light. Okay, now we can see particles. So this is maximum power. Okay, we still have it. Okay, so we see also some particles go through. Yeah, probably we can say that there are different fractions in this, and small particles that were flying. Okay, another part of that fraction, but we don't see any small particles inside. Okay, and we also see defects of the glass. Okay, let's add the focusing lens so we'll be able to see particles much better. So I'm going to add G2 laser lens, and we'll see what we have once the focused laser beam goes through. Okay, I added G2 lens. Let's add some turbulence and see what we have once the laser has focused. So we still see that something is here, the different refraction rate. We still get and can see different particles over here. Yeah, we can use a filter, but then we need more power. And we still see that there are some particles inside you can definitely see them, and you can also see them outside. Let me show you. Okay, here is outside, so that you can see something in there. So I can turn on, make higher power. So you see a lot of things are inside that glass of vodka. Okay, let's turn on once again. Yeah, it's pretty hard to focus because it focuses on the top, but once I move the laser up, you'll be able to see that as well. But yeah, definitely you can see some particles over here, and once I increase the power with our dynamic PWM, you see more and more different particles. Okay, let's try another type of vodka. Yeah, I think I'd like to try this one because those are pretty much the same quality. So let's check with this one. Okay, and let's put it on our installation. Okay, the same minimum power, and we can still see something. I didn't even rotate it or add anything, but you see that some different fractions, how to call it, swimming or floating inside. And yes, let's add some turbulence and see if we have something different. Yeah, once I added vodka in the glass, you see that probably heavy fractions, they go down, and let me try to change frequency. Okay, so we're using red filter and the same effect. So you see that different fractions, they keep floating inside our vodka. Let's add some turbulence and see what we got. Okay, now we see also different particles, different fragments over there. So it means that even here you can see a lot of particles, small particles. And with the filter, you probably see the same as without it. And we still have different fractions that are moving from up to down. And yeah, that's quite interesting. It's quite interesting to see what we actually guys drink. Oh, something was actually moving up. Also very unusual. Yeah, I changed ISO, and even now you see more interesting things inside. Okay, something goes up, something goes down. It's really something not good, according to my knowledge. And we can also move it up and down, and I think the result will be pretty much the same. And we see a lot of different particles. Right. So anyway, I hope that you like this video. Now you know that with a laser you can do tests and measurements inside the liquid, for example with a vodka, something that is transparent, because these wavelengths go through the glass and through the alcohol. And yes, you can do some interesting research and check what is inside. And we'll do more tests with water, probably, and some other liquids. Yeah, hope that you like this video. Visit our website endurancelasers.com and our online store endurance-lasers.com to learn more about endurance laser models. Thank you. Bye bye.